Hey, this is Arlene. It is January the 15th, 2020. So what's interesting is that I'm getting frequencies on this side of the microwave. It's not plugged in. It's really strong right in here. But then I'm also getting frequencies on this side of my refrigerator. And it's hot. But this side, it's cold. There's nothing. This side of the microwave, nada, nothing. It's only on this side. It's off. You don't really feel the frequencies here. It's very minimal. But here, you feel it. They just lowered it. So it's weird, like the whole microwave, there's no frequencies except from right here it emits. Now it's still doing it for the fridge. It's emitting on this side. But it would be kind of hard to say it's emitting in here because the freezer's going off. Yeah, you can feel it here. So there must be something in this side of the refrigerator or down at the bottom. No, move. This girl wants to eat plastic. This side, feeling it. But it's weird. On the outside, move, Samantha. Out here, nothing. Don't feel no frequencies. It's like it's emitting this way, and voila, this is where I study. This is my desk where I study. And I'm always getting targeted from this side. Now when I go to bed, I wonder if they shifted towards my bed. But that is very interesting. That's why when I do my homework here, I either get frequencies from out the window coming in, or over here, straight over here, or from here. But the only thing I have plugged in down there right now is the lamp. That is it, and it's off. I wonder what they have, like if there's something put in here, or is it coming up? Really weird. But yeah, I thought that's interesting.